Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Calendly and Zoom. First of all, you have to open calendly.com. On this section, on the top left corner, you will see an expand option. Click on it. From here, you have to select integrations and apps. Click on that. Once a new page is loaded, you have to find Zoom from this list. Once found, click on Zoom. From here, you have two options: set up Zoom for your organization or set up Zoom for yourself. You have to select the either option according to your need. I will select for myself and click on connect. From here I have to sign into Zoom with my account. Once I've signed in, it will show me this page. From here I have to select allow this app to use my shared access permission and then click on allow. And then you can see your Zoom account has been connected to Calendly, and that's how to integrate Calendly and Zoom. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.